What's up, folk? So, I'm here in my backyard garden to harvest the last of these nettles here before they go to flower and seed for the year. And what I'm going to do is share with you all a recipe that's been one of our favorites and a staple in our house for a while now. So, nettles are one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the entire planet. They're easily cultivated, and they can actually grow quite aggressively also. So, when we talk about food sovereignty and reclaiming medicines, the foundation of that is about lessening our dependency on a system that is seeking to control us. Since the industrial and modern world has only really prioritized economic efficiency over a better quality of life for people, what we find is that most vegetables in your average grocery store have been genetically selected through the years for higher yields and a longer shelf life. The consequences of this may make producers more money, and it may save you money in the short run, but what it has ultimately done is left most food almost completely void of nutritional value. So, our personal solution to this has been to cultivate and harvest as many non-domestic varieties of food as possible. And so, we're happy to start sharing some of the ways that these foods have benefited our lives in more ways than just caring for our health. I guarantee that if you start making changes away from these industrial food systems, that not only will you start to feel better health-wise, but you'll begin to see how the corrupt system of the modern world is actually colluding against the well-being of local communities across the world. Once we learn to see the ways that the modern world is harming us and our families, we can start taking responsibility for ourselves and for our tribes in a way that the industrialized world really doesn't want us to. True freedom starts with lessening dependency on the forces that really only care to exploit you for your money. And understanding how to become food sovereign is one of the foundational aspects of breaking the spell of globalism. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest these nettles here and see you guys inside and enjoy the recipe. Thanks.